There's not much to talk about.
Yeah, parang wala na.
Oo. It's like, okay lang. I think also I laugh at such stupid things now. It's ridiculous. I mean, I used to before, but now it's just ridiculous. And here, we're used to now finding space with people around. Before I couldn't do it.
Mga taga-labas. Isitin, ako, si Denise, and ikaw.
Tagal?
Palaging nasa labas. Always outside. Si Kevin at si Pamo na lang kulang.
Oo.
6 outside versus inside.
If there was a sofa outside, Paco would be outside. Anywhere where he can
Paco,
sleep.
Si Paco, champion sa tulog.
Oh, grabe.
I think para lang gising lang siya pag may gagawing task or magluluto.
Oh. He's always asleep. I don't know, how does he sleep at night?
How do you sleep? Oy, siya pa ka yung first palagi matutulog sa gabi. Wanna swim.
Swim.
Swim, swim, swim.
I love these things. They're so simple. I like that one. This one's more harder.
Harder.
Oh.
Soft though. Si Tim has been so quiet lately. Napansin ko. Tereng, one more.
Pamo na lang. Where's Pamo?
Pamo.
And there's always us 6 that are outside. Pagod na ako. Antok kami.
Ang ginagawa natin nakaka-stress na.
Oo.
So stress. And parang nafe-feel ko yun. Nafe-feel ni Roy pero wala akong... At least si Roy may kinalaman kung paano mga ganito. Sabi, wala akong ano na lang.
Pero I think Kuya picked us, which is a good choice. He said you're good at structure, and I like creating stuff. And plus we listen to people. I think it's gonna be pretty awesome.
If we do it right, maganda to siya.
If it's
I can
fast.
see it eh.
Ako
Nagpa-practice sila Wendy, ganyan.
Ako din.
It's good. Tapos yung sigaw-sigaw, I think that's the best improvement for today. Like, for the accident, we just yell.
And now we made it simplified. I say before there's too many things in too little time. They're not getting bigger.
I don't know. Just get it checked when you get your out. I think you have to get that removed now.
It hurts sometimes. And I just do this. Oh, I don't want to go to the hospital now. That sucks blindfolded.
No. Ba sabi ng doctor madali lang?
It takes like an hour. Girl, I want to be put to sleep. I want to be awake while they cut my wrist. It's gross. I'm scared.
Work out or not work out? Work out.
No? Oh,
Ha?
go.
Sinabi ni Kuya kailan na performance to?
Whenever tapos na.
Mini-memorize niyo na yun dati sa class.
No?
Slings and arrows of outrageous fortune. Mobile posing and then get white hair.
Ako, me, I want. I want that. Wala naman eh. Puro balakubak.
Dami kang balakuba?
Mm-mm.
Kailangan natin ng dandruff shampoo.
Mag H&S ka na.
Oo. Sino? Tayo ata lahat dito eh. Na ano?
Ako wala.
Sure ka?
I don't.
Sure ka?
Mm-mm.
I think maybe it's just from your wax.
No, it's because it's so dry.
Oh.
So weird.
It's in a weird place.
Ha? Yoko.
Tara na. Ayaw mo, tayo natin. Asan? Ayun. Tao.
Feeling ko may mangyayari pa.
Ako din.
Imposible eh. Parang pinatulog na sana tayo.
Brown.
It's white-ish.
Wiwi ako. Tatlo mabubunot ko eh. 3 in 1.
That's not even it. Dito.
Bakit ang hirap? Pwede bang Johnny?
Go.
No, wait.
Ayan.
Sleep you?
Yo.
Ako na lang maghahanap, ikaw magbunod.
Okay. Go for it.
Yung ba may alaga kang bata?
Where? Ano?
May alaga kang bata?
Hindi. Nanay ko lang. Nanay, tatay.
Walang alagang bata.
Putis later, okay lang sa'yo yung ginaganto-ganto hair mo. Di ba pag lalaki ayaw?
Bakit?
Yung mga ibang lalaki ayaw ginaganyan-ganyan.
Oh, me.
Oh.
Oh,
Weird. Parang feeling nila,
Inaanak ko.
personal ano nila to talaga. Parang ganun.
Ngayon?
Here?
Yung ganun.
5 years old?
Oo. Wait, sandali. Oh, tama.
Bakit isa lang?
Wala na, naubos na. Pinapaday kasi ako ng papa, ano ako. Kaya,
You get so many before.
papakulay.
Yung example, mag-birthday, ganyan. Binyag,
Ayun.
marami siyang inaanak.
Ay, hindi ka
Binyag siya, nakugos.
Godson, godchildren,
Godson, yung,
godchild,
sabi na, binyag lagay.
baptism.
Baptism. Aw! Pero,
Dalawa.
Ano yan?
Dalawa, ang dami.
Oo, isa. Hindi. Adopted? Oh. Hindi. Wala. Dito sa Philippines is baptism. Baptism sa Australia,
Chicago.
Chicago ay
Pareho.
baptism pa rin.
Oo.
Ano, adopted?
Hindi.
Akala ko adopted.
Hindi.
Because me I have adopted. Adopted. Si Butchok.
Cheese?
No, that feels good.
Adopted.